Stop for a moment. Imagine your life 5 years from now. Imagine you're still doing the same thing, earning, spending, worrying, and then wondering, why am I not ahead? Now imagine that instead, you made one simple shift in 2026, one decision that changes the trajectory of your finances, your freedom, and your future. In the next few minutes, I am going to take you on a journey to show you exactly where and how to invest in 2026 in ways that can give you long-term wealth stability and the kind of peace most people never experience. But first, if you want to unlock the secrets of smart money and make 2026 your breakthrough year, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Money Lab, and turn on the notification bell because what I'm about to share could literally change your financial life. Now, let's be honest. Most people don't invest because they feel they don't have enough money, or they think investing is too risky, too complicated, or only for the rich. The truth is that mindset is your biggest enemy. 2026 is not about gambling or shortcuts. It's about knowledge, patience, and action. Whether you have $100, $1,000, or $10,000, the key is to start. Because every dollar you delay investing is a dollar that loses value over time. Inflation is silent, but it's real, and the only way to fight it is by making your money work for you, not the other way around. The first and most important place to invest in 2026 is yourself. I know it sounds cliché, but hear me out. Skills are currency, knowledge is power. The more valuable your skills, the more opportunities you can create. Learn high-demand skills like digital marketing, AI, programming, financial literacy, or anything that allows you to earn globally. Online courses, books, mentorship, these are investments that compound faster than any stock or crypto. Because while money can come and go, knowledge, experience, and skill remain forever. Once you've invested in yourself, the next step is diversification. Never put all your money in one place. 2026 will reward those who spread their investments across multiple assets. Some safe, some growth-focused, and some higher risk for bigger potential returns. Safe investments could include gold, bonds, or stable dividend-paying stocks. Gold has always been a hedge against inflation, and bonds give predictable returns, providing stability to your portfolio. Safe assets aren't exciting, but they protect your wealth from sudden market shocks. Growth-focused investments include the stock market and ETFs. But this is where most people fail. They jump in blindly, hoping for overnight riches. Successful investing in stocks is about discipline and long-term vision. Focus on strong companies, understand their fundamentals, and commit to holding them for years. Avoid hype, avoid following random advice on social media, and definitely avoid trying to time the market. Compounding wealth is slow, and steady is patience that turns small investments into life-changing money. Now let's talk about digital assets, like cryptocurrency. Yes, crypto is here to stay, but in 2026, it's more about strategy than speculation. Only invest what you can afford to lose, research every project thoroughly, and avoid emotional decisions. Crypto can create massive gains, but it's a double-edged sword. Without knowledge and caution, it can destroy your portfolio faster than anything else. Think of it as a calculated risk, not a lottery ticket. Another major opportunity in 2026 is entrepreneurship and small businesses. And don't get intimidated. Starting a business doesn't mean opening a huge store or factory. Online businesses, e-commerce, digital services, content creation, and personal brands are more accessible than ever. Even making money through content or digital services can create recurring income streams that grow exponentially if done smartly. Your knowledge, creativity, and consistency are your most valuable assets here. Now, here is the emotional truth nobody tells you. Investing isn't just numbers and charts, it is your mindset, your emotions, your fears, and your patience being tested every single day. You'll face moments of doubt, moments when the market crashes, or when friends say, "Don't bother, it's too risky." Those moments will define whether you grow wealthy or stay stagnant. Discipline is not glamorous, but it's the most powerful tool an investor can have. So, how do you make investing work in 2026? Start small, but start consistently. Build habits. Every month, put a set amount into safe, growth, and risk assets. Review your portfolio, learn from mistakes, and stay patient. Avoid impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Remember, wealth is not about luck, it's about strategy, knowledge, and consistency. Take a moment and ask yourself, what would your life look like if you made the right investments this year? More freedom? Less stress? The ability to make choices instead of being forced by circumstance. That's what smart investing is about, not flashy riches, but true financial freedom. And here's the secret. It's never too late to start. The only bad time to invest is the day you do nothing. By making a decision today, you give yourself the chance to create a life where money is your servant, not your master. Smart Money Lab exists to guide you, inspire you, and give you actionable steps every week so that you never feel lost in your financial journey. Remember, no strategy is perfect, but the combination of knowledge, consistency, and patience is unstoppable. Safe investments protect you, growth investments multiply you, risky investments teach you, but only if you respect them. Treat money like a tool, not a game. And you'll see how 2026 can become a year that sets the foundation for decades of financial security. Finally, I want to hear from you. What will you invest in this year? Which skill, stock, or business idea are you committing to? Type it in the comments below because sharing your intentions makes them real. Share this video with a friend who's still confused about where to start. And once again, make sure you like, comment, and share because every click helps more people take control of their financial future. 2026 is your opportunity to step up, take control, and invest smartly. Start today, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Because wealth is not a sprint, it's a journey, and every step you take now shapes the life you'll live tomorrow.